While you read this sentence, a 22-year-old from Nagpur named Rohit Sharma just made 3,400 rupees without touching his phone. He made it sleeping. Last month alone, he deposited 87,000 rupees into his SBI account from 3 income streams he built in just 11 weeks. He never had a business loan. His parents are government school teachers. And he started with exactly 0 rupees. Here is what nobody tells you. India crossed 90 crore internet users in 2023. That number is not just a statistic, it is a gold mine. Every single one of those users is a potential customer, a viewer, a buyer. And a tiny group of Indians, just 2.3 lakh people, figured out how to turn that ocean of attention into automatic, recurring money. The rest of India has absolutely no idea this is happening. The secret is something called digital real estate. Sounds complicated, it is not. Think of it this way. When Ambani owns a building, tenants pay him rent forever. These 2.3 lakh Indians own digital buildings, YouTube channels, niche websites, Instagram pages, digital courses, and every month, brands pay them rent, call AdSense, affiliate commissions, and sponsorships. Priya from Chennai built one blog in 2021. By 2023, it paid her 54,000 rupees every single month on autopilot. But 2024 changed everything because AI arrived. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and 11 Labs collapsed the time needed to build these income streams from months to days. Arjun Mehta, a 19-year-old BC dropout from Indore, used AI to create 47 YouTube videos in 30 days without showing his face once. His channel hit monetization in 34 days. Today it generates 1.2 lakh rupees per month. His college friends still share memes about getting placements. Here are the real numbers from India's creator economy, because facts hit harder than motivation. FICCI reported the Indian creator economy will touch 2,200 crore rupees by 2025. Right now, over 70,000 Indian YouTube channels earn above 50,000 rupee per month. Meesho has 15 lakh resellers, mostly women, earning an average of 25,000 rupee monthly from their phones at home. The opportunity is not coming. It is already here. Most people are just not paying attention. So why are most Indians still broke despite this revolution? Because school taught you to trade time for money, show up, work 8 hours, collect salary. That model is finished. The new model trades value for money, create something once, sell it infinitely. Your college degree gets you one job. One digital course on Teachable or Graphy gets you 10,000 students at 999 rupees each. That is 99 lakh rupees from knowledge you already have sitting in your head right now. Here is the exact blueprint these 2.3 lakh Indians are following. Write this down. Step 1. Pick one skill: writing, design, teaching, talking. Step 2. Choose one platform: YouTube, Instagram, a blog, or Udemy. Step 3. Use AI tools to produce content 10 times faster. Step 4. Apply for monetization or find one affiliate product to promote. Step 5. Reinvest first 10,000 rupees earned into ads. Most people who follow this structure see their first 5,000 rupees within 60 days. Here is the India angle that makes this even more powerful. The dollar-rupee gap is your unfair advantage. An American brand pays 5,000 rupees for one sponsored Instagram story from a micro-influencer in India. A digital product selling for $29 in America earns you 2,400 rupees from one sale. Tanvi Joshi from Pune made 8.3 lakh rupees in 1 month selling Notion templates to American buyers on Gumroad, templates she built in 4 days using free tools. Geography used to limit wealth. The internet just deleted that rule entirely. Rohit from Nagpur wakes up at 8 a.m. and checks his phone, not Instagram, not news, his earnings from the night before. Last Tuesday, he made 4,700 rupees between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. Completely passive. Completely automatic. That is your future if you choose it. The information you just watched is worth more than most MBA degrees. Subscribe and hit the bell right now. We drop life-changing money facts every single week, and you cannot afford to miss what comes next.